Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's art room. Today's video is going to be a larger bloom than usually what I do on a record. I've taped the back all up and I saw some pretty colors on Facebook. I don't know who did it, but I'm going to try and do similar colors. I thought it was so pretty. This is my Glidden Premium. And hopefully I can get some negative space, I think. I hope. I think I'll use my mini blower because this is quite big. You know. Glidden Premium Eggshell. Oh, lordy, lordy. I almost lost it. I better put a little bit of daubs of paint under here so it doesn't slide. Oh, that was close. Blooper. Wow, I'm gonna try a lot of colors today. I don't usually do a lot of colors, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. Well, I think one of the first colors I'm gonna use, this one is, I'm using a lot of Deco Art today. And this is Deco Art Coastal Waters. This one here. It's an Americana paint. I think it's opaque, so I'm going to put this one on the bottom. And I'm just going to drizzle. I got some ultramarine blue. I have a darker turquoise. I have a phthalo turquoise, some purple, and then another blue. This one is cerulean blue, and some sapphire blue by Deco Art. Cerulean blue is Pebeo, I believe. Oh, there's a goober in there. That's why. All right. Now I'm going to do, this is Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. Oh, you know what? I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to do the purple. This is Dioxazine Purple. Liquitex Basics. It's almost empty. So that's 1, 2, 3 colors so far. And now I think I'll use this little piggy mermaid This one is ultramarine blue. I should have had a lighter one on top. Okay, so this one is a turquoise. I don't know all the colors that are in this one. I know one color is Aquamarine by DecoArt. It's a sheen. And there's another, I think it's a phthalo turquoise I mixed in with it, but it's mostly the Aquamarine. Oh, it's called, yeah, Aquamarine by DecoArt. Extreme Sheen. Oh, maybe I should have put that one on top. I'm going to use white and black cell activator. I think I'm putting too much paint down. Oh, now I got a bit of phthalo turquoise. It's a pretty dark color. Maybe I won't put too much of this. You know what? Maybe I will put some of this light blue violet by Liquitex Basics. There's not much in here, I don't think. I'll give it a little more contrast, because there is a lot of dark colors in there. In the bottom of the barrel here. Okay, I think I might use my hairdryer on this one, and I don't know about negative space, but we will see. I was going to put some gold, but I don't think I will. Oh, that's the wrong size. Anyway, okay. Jeez, I'm really losing it today. I almost dropped this right in there. Okay, so I got my white cell activator. And I have my black cell activator. Okay, let's see what we can do here. See what we get. Cool low. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Very pretty, but I don't think it's going to have any negative space. I'll let this come back to the middle. Very pretty. I'm glad I put that lighter color in there. So otherwise, I think it would have been too dark. And the white cell, those big cells. Woo! I wonder if I can get any. No, no more. I'm not crazy about all this black. I want the middle to go in more. If I can. Nope. Trying to put some more cells in there, but. I was going to do some swirlies around here. But it might all come off anyways. I put some swirlies in the middle. Just to break up that black. Okay, let's spin it. Oh, look at all the paint. I need to save some of this paint. Well, it's very colorful and very pretty. The colors are beautiful and the cells are gorgeous. I love it. I love this color combination. I keep forgetting that the ultramarine blue really does something to the paintings. I love it. brightens it. It's a bright blue. It's gorgeous. And it looks darker in the camera for some reason. I think that's it. I'm not going to spin it anymore. I love it. There you go. And I didn't even put any gold in there. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's the white mixed in with a bit of black, I guess. Very pretty. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody. And I'll show you the dried results at the end of my video. Hi, everyone. Here's my record pour. It dried pretty good. Look at those pretty cells. Whoa. I love them. I love this color combination. Turquoises and blues. My wiggly middle. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.